So, I came across this really neat thing you can do on TikTok and YouTube that can make you go viral super fast. It's like this special niche that tons of people are into, so you'll never be short on ideas. And get this, you can even make money from it on both platforms. If you're on the lookout for something easy to get started with and not too crowded, this is your golden ticket. And guess what? I've got a simple 3-step plan to help you dive right in. First up, we'll brainstorm some awesome ideas for your videos. Then, I'll show you how to gather all the stuff you need like videos, pictures, and sounds. And finally, I'll walk you through the whole editing process to make your content stand out. Seriously, if you watch this video, you'll be all set to start creating right away. Stick with me till the end because I've got a special trick to help you skyrocket on TikTok. Let's dive into this niche. I call it the interesting facts niche. Here's the deal. It's super broad, with tons of subtopics to explore. For instance, you can focus on facts about different countries, like mind-blowing tidbits about the Netherlands or crazy facts about Africa. Or you can delve into sports facts, or anything else you can think of, really. That's what makes this niche great for the long haul. There's always something new to explore. Now, let me give you an example. I've got a video I made that'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Once you see it, we can jump into the whole process together.
3 crazy facts about Netherlands foods. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Dutch food that will leave your taste buds tingling. Fact number 1. Did you know that the Dutch love their herring raw? That's right.
So, here's the plan. We're going to map out your content for the next week. The beauty of this method is that even if you're super busy, you can still churn out 2 videos a day, each taking only about 30 minutes to create. Pretty neat, huh? First things first, let's brainstorm 14 video ideas for the upcoming week. Once we've got that sorted, I'll walk you through how to create a killer script for each video. For our example, let's say we're focusing on 3 crazy facts about Netherlands foods. Now, there are 2 ways we can go about scripting this. Method 1. We can hop on Google and search for articles about Netherlands foods. We'll find a bunch of info to work with. Begin by gathering all the necessary details and crafting your own script. Another approach is to request ChatGPT to generate a script. Let's head over to Chat and request a video script on the topic, 3 crazy facts about Netherlands foods. The script should be engaging, interesting, and last around 1 minute. I believe the script is solid, but I will make a slight adjustment by incorporating an attention-grabbing opening line. 3 crazy facts about Netherlands food that will blow your mind. This serves as an effective hook. By following this example, you can craft your video script. The process is quite straightforward. Next, we must produce voiceovers. It is crucial that the voice we choose does not come across as artificial. Therefore, we must opt for an ultra-realistic AI voice generator that will leave your audience unable to distinguish it as AI-generated. Have you heard about 11 Labs? They're known for their awesome text-to-speech AI voices. They've got tons of different voices to choose from, and you can even make one that sounds just like you. That means you don't have to spend a bunch of money on fancy recording gear. Plus, you can use these voices to make money from your videos. And guess what? It's free to sign up. And get this, they'll give you 10,000 characters for free. Now, let's find the perfect voice for our video. Just click the Add Voice button and go to the voice library. You can find more voices by picking keywords from the menu. Let's start with the social media category and see what we find. Wow, this voice is perfect for our project. Let's add it to our library and get going. Got it. Here's a simpler version. Now that we've found the perfect AI voice, let's set it up in the settings. Then, we'll copy the script part by part and generate the voiceovers. It's important to do it in parts to ensure better quality. Once we have all the voiceovers, we'll organize them in a new folder. Next, let's gather some background videos. We can use Pexels.com for this. It's a great source for copyright-free videos and images. And the best part? It's completely free. For our video, let's download some footage related to the Netherlands, as well as some clips delicious food. We'll grab all the relevant videos from the website and get ready to put them together. Now, let's create some images using Leonardo AI to match our video script. First, sign up for a Leonardo AI account. You don't need to buy a subscription. They'll give you 150 free credits every day, which is plenty for 3 videos. So, here's how it works. All these images are made by AI models. Each model has its own unique style. For our video, let's go with images in a vector and cartoon style. I think they'll work well. Once you've selected the style, click on Generate using this model. It'll take you to a page where you can see some examples of images that were generated earlier. Ignore them. You have the option to adjust the image dimensions to your preference. These particular numbers indicate the quantity of artworks. In this scenario, let's choose one generation at a time. I understand that many of you are facing difficulties in creating effective image prompts for Leonardo AI. Fortunately, there is a simpler method to accomplish this. I utilize ChatGPT to generate prompts. Simply visit ChatGPT, describe the desired image, and request GPT to generate a prompt for that image. ChatGPT will provide you with an exceptional prompt. Allow me to demonstrate how it's done. For the initial image, I aim to create a composition featuring various junk foods on a table. ChatGPT has generated this specific prompt for that purpose. Let's give it a try and see what we get. Just copy this prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI. Wow, this image looks amazing. Now, for the next image, let's do something like this. Create a prompt for image generation. There's an apple pie on a table, and on the wall, there's a Netherlands flag. Copy this prompt and let's generate the image. Fantastic! Just like that. Let's create images for the whole script. Finally, we need some background music. Something fun and funky would be perfect for this video. You can download copyright-free background music from pixabay.com. It's all free to use. With that, we've got all the materials we need to make the final video. To edit everything, let's use CapCut. It's a free video editor that you can download to your mobile or computer. First, start a new project and choose the right size for your video. Click on Modify and select a 9:16 ratio. Now, let's upload all the material we created. Click on Import and choose all the voiceovers, music, and videos. Next, drag and drop the voiceovers onto the timeline in the correct order. You'll notice there are some silent parts in the voiceovers. We'll need to cut those out. To improve our video, you can adjust the zoom of these layers by increasing the bar and then dragging it to the silent parts. Additionally, click on this button to cut that specific section. Afterwards, remove the silent parts from the voiceovers in a similar manner. This process may take a few minutes, so be careful when removing unnecessary sections from the voiceovers. Next, add the background videos one by one and adjust their sizes accordingly. If desired, we can apply filters to enhance the video. Simply go to the top menu and select suitable filter options. Then add the generated images to the appropriate locations, ensuring to edit their size and position them correctly. Lastly, let's incorporate sliding animations to these images. Now, let's add some animations to make the video more engaging. Go to Animations and select suitable animations for your video. After that, we'll need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Just go to Text and choose Auto Captions. Select English as the language, and it'll generate the captions in just a few seconds. Then, you can edit them to make them look just right. I'd recommend making the text size bigger and changing the fonts to something bold and eye-catching. Let's make sure these captions really stand out. I'll choose a cool font that suits this niche. You can also add some text effects to make them even more interesting. Just head to the Effects menu and explore all the cool options available. I'm glad you like that effect. Let's go ahead and select it. Now, let's add some cool text animations. Select all the text layers and go to Animation. From there, you can choose any awesome animation you like. I'll add this one. It looks pretty cool. Next, let's add the background music to the timeline. We'll need to adjust its volume to match the voiceovers. Once everything looks good, you can export the video. Oh, and here's a neat trick to boost engagement. Start your video with a question. When you pose a question, it piques curiosity and keeps viewers interested. This can increase watch time and views. For example, you could start with, Did you know about these crazy facts about Netherlands foods? Starting your video like this can really grab attention and keep people watching. Hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one.